In this video, we're going to show you how to cross-link and reference notes in Obsidian. Cross-linking notes is one of the most powerful features in Obsidian because it allows you to connect related ideas, topics, projects, and pieces of information throughout your vault. Instead of keeping notes isolated from one another, you can build a network of knowledge that becomes more valuable over time. However, many users create hundreds of notes without connecting them. As a result, important information can become scattered across the vault, making it harder to discover relationships between concepts and locate relevant notes when needed. The good news is that Obsidian makes it easy to create links and references between notes, helping you organize information in a more meaningful way. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to cross-link and reference notes in Obsidian to create a more connected knowledge system. So, let's get started. The first step is to open the note where you want to create a reference. Place your cursor at the location where you'd like the link to appear. Next, type two opening square brackets. As you begin typing the name of another note, Obsidian will automatically display matching note suggestions. Select the note you want to reference and press Enter. The note will now be linked within your document. When you click the link, Obsidian will instantly open the referenced note. You can repeat this process whenever you want to connect related ideas across your vault. For example, if you have separate notes about a project, meeting, research topic, or book, you can link them together to create stronger relationships between information. You can also create links to notes that don't yet exist. Simply type the note name inside double square brackets and press Enter. Obsidian will create a placeholder link that can be turned into a note later. Another useful feature is the backlinks panel. When enabled, it shows all notes that reference the current note, making it easier to discover related information throughout your vault. As you continue creating links, Obsidian's graph view will begin visualizing the connections between your notes. This can help you identify patterns and relationships that might otherwise be difficult to see. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, create links by typing double square brackets and selecting the note you want to reference. Second, connect related notes to build relationships between ideas. And third, use backlinks and graph view to explore connections across your vault. Remember that cross-linking notes is one of the key principles behind effective knowledge management in Obsidian. Creating meaningful connections between notes can make information easier to find, understand, and expand upon over time. This is especially useful for research, studying, writing, project management, and personal knowledge systems. Taking a few extra moments to link related notes today can significantly improve the value of your vault in the future. And that's how to cross-link and reference notes in Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.